Hey guys, SEO market leaders here. We are going to look at SEO Content Machine and how we can use it to generate one very large text file with a lot of content we would use for, say, a blog or something like that. So this is the front page. I'm not going to get into all the features here, but this is the blogs page. There's an option to add to WordPress blog or to Blogger, so if you want to set that up. But we want to go to the tasks button here at the bottom, and here's a list of current articles that I've created. It's kind of nice because once you generate an article, the settings are saved here, so you're able to go back into it, run it again to generate another article with new content, or perhaps make some adjustments to your current settings. You also have the tasks here. If you add a project, you can categorize your articles. So I've got all my GSA SER articles here, so I use it for GSA SER, but for here I made a new task called massive article size, and so from here we want to basically create a new article. So if we click on the article creator, we get this, first of all we'll give it a task name. So I want to generate an article for e-cigarettes, so we'll call it e-cigarettes, and our keyword, we're going to use e-cigarettes. Now, we have the option to run one at a time. If we do all at once, basically if you have a list, it'll generate a separate article for each one, and it'll just do it all in one run for you. So it's kind of nice if I had a second keyword that I wanted to also generate content with. You could add another keyword in here, and then you'd have two text files if you went to the all at once, and you could just combine them together, or basically leave you two separate articles. So just go one at a time because I only have one keyword in here. There's a spinner. It's got a built-in spin, a soft spin, or we've also got these ones you can use your API key with. For this application, we don't want spun content, so we'll leave that at none. Export format, we've got a lot of export formats for various SEO tools. Because this is just a simple article, we just want article. You can also generate customized ones if you need something fairly specific. Paragraph count, there's a new option here to increase this to 1,000 or 999. So this basically will generate as much content as it can, and stopping at 1,000 paragraphs. So that's a lot of content for any application. And we also basically will save the article into a specific location. So we have our folder will be saved in this particular spot. Under sources, you can choose the sources that you want your articles to be pulled from. So we've got all these different locations. I'm going to add health in here, considering it's also sort of in the health industry. And we'll basically got everything selected. You can also add custom ones, so you can also add article builder as well, and you can choose a location. So if you want to generate articles from a specific country or from a specific Google search engine, you've got a wide selection there if you're doing foreign content. Links, this is if you want to include HTML links into your articles. You put a list of your URLs and your keywords, and you can choose your link frequency. So from 0 to 5, it'll randomly insert those links into your articles. For this application, we add our articles afterwards, so we do not need any sort of URL or keywords. It also can generate images and videos. Basically, you can even choose the size you want for the picture, and you have your sources as well. So at this particular time, it does not generate like a list of images or videos, but it would export or scrape them and put them into into spun content for posting. So if you still want to use that, you have the option here to scrape images and videos. So you can choose videos, and it'll use the exact same keyword as well. And there's a scheduler if you want to schedule your articles to be scraped at particular times. So here basically we want to click run immediately. That will activate the scan. If you don't and you hit save, then it'll just simply save your article. So here we have our article saved. So it hasn't ran yet. You can see there's no status here. So basically if we open it back up, click run immediately, all our settings are here, and hit run task. So this will take a few minutes. So I'm looking at the clock, 8:43 a.m. I'm just going to pause this for you, save you the pain, and we'll come back and I'll let you know how long it took to scrape this article. Okay guys, I'm back. It's 8:46 a.m. so it took about 3 minutes to generate this article, not a long period of time. I do have a fairly fast internet connection. I could see my bandwidth probably went up to maybe 20-30 megabytes a second. So, you know, if you have a slower connection, it could take considerably longer. If not, if you have a VPS with a, you know, 1 GPS port or 100 megabytes per second port, you should be good to generate this in a short period of time. So let's take a look at our article. We can see we've got a little green light here, tells us we're completed, it says status completed, and here's our time. So basically 8:46 around the dot. If we click the little folder here, it's going to show us where our article is. This is the one I just generated. There was one I made just shortly ago, but I had a different keyword in there. So here we go. So e-cigarettes, it actually tells you the name of the article and the keyword that you used. So if you're generating a lot of stuff, you'll have a big list of articles here. It's easy to figure out which one is for which one. So here's our article. So we've got 632 kilobytes is the size of our text file. And if we go ahead and open it up, let's take a look at what it looks like. This first part here is our titles. They are spun, so not word spun, but title spun. So each title is unique from the other one. You can see here's a title: non-nicotine cigarettes, menthol versus regular. Oops, actually there's menthol versus regular cigarettes. There's a title there for you. So anyways, we'll delete this. And so this is our content. If we take a look here, it looks fairly readable. Read a few of them if you like, but they do seem fairly straightforward. And if we take a look here, we've got each one of these lines is a paragraph, so we've got quite a bit of content here. And if we take a look and scroll over to the right, you can see how long some of these paragraphs go. So several sentences for each one, and a lot of content here. So we've got a very large file we can use to basically build our blog. So I have a special discount on the program. You can actually download this for free if you want to try it out. I think you get a 3-day free trial. So generate some articles with it. Check it out if you like it. I have a discount coupon. I can check it out in the link description in the video. And let me know if you have any questions. Thanks very much.